Greetings, road warriors. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. We're thrilled to showcase a low-mileage 2013 Fleetwood Discovery 40E with only 17,000 miles. This 41-foot Class A diesel pusher, built on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis, features the spacious 40E floor plan, with 3 oversized slide-outs and sleeping for 2 in refined comfort. Coated in Fleetwood's beautiful copper Java full-body paint package, this RV radiates elegance, powered by a potent Cummins diesel engine. Join us for a spectacular tour to explore every upscale detail of this remarkable coach. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2013 Fleetwood Discovery 40E impresses with timeless style. The copper Java graphics package bathes this coach in warm, sophisticated hues, ensuring it stands out at every campground or scenic stop. Stretching 41 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride. Powered by an 8.3-liter Cummins ISC diesel engine, it produces 380 horsepower and 1,050 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for seamless performance. Recently updated 2024 Falken tires all around, and an Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 453 hours ensure reliability. The exterior is loaded with premium features to elevate your camping experience. Full pass-through basement storage compartments with a slide-out storage tray offer vast space for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, speakers, and stereo creates a vibrant setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends. Power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers craft a shaded, luxurious retreat at any campsite. Automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with in-dash monitor make navigation effortless. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch adds versatility for towing. Powering your adventures is effortless with this RV's top-tier systems. A 50-amp service with extension cord, Magnum inverter charger, and battery disconnects, plus 3 roof-mounted ACs with heat pumps keep you comfortable year-round. These systems make this Discovery a versatile, value-packed choice for adventurers seeking comfort and reliability. Step inside, and the 40E floor plan unfolds as a spacious, couple-friendly haven. 3 oversized slide-outs create an expansive interior that sleeps 2 in refined comfort. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom. The huge front living room is a cozy retreat, with triple theater recliner seating directly across from a 50-inch TV on a power lift, and another 32-inch TV above the front seats, ideal for relaxing evenings. A middle bathroom area offers additional convenience. The full kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, designed for effortless meal preparation. It boasts a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop and oven, a microwave convection oven, and ample counter space, offering everything for gourmet meals on the road. The private half bathroom is convenient, with a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan. The rear master bedroom is a tranquil oasis, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, wardrobe closet, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, luxurious vibe. A stackable washer and dryer adds ultimate convenience for extended trips or full-time living. The full-width rear bathroom is exceptional, with a large shower enclosure with glass doors, skylight, toilet, power vent fan, sink and vanity, and another large closet. With only 17,000 miles, this 2013 Fleetwood Discovery 40E is a phenomenal opportunity to own a feature-packed coach with a king bed master and theater seating. Picture cruising in this 2013 Discovery 40E, exploring coastal highways, mountain retreats, or quiet campgrounds with your loved one. Imagine preparing meals in the full kitchen, lounging in the theater seating by the electric fireplace, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends home-like luxury with the freedom of the open road, and its copper Java exterior ensures you arrive in style. With only 17,000 miles, every journey will create lasting memories. Let's dive deeper into why this Discovery is a standout choice. Fleetwood's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, spacious layout, and thoughtful features like the power awnings and inverter. The Freightliner chassis and Cummins power inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the theater seating to the rear master bath, this RV is built for luxury and convenience. Why choose this Discovery? Its blend of spaciousness and versatility is unmatched, with features like the 1.5 baths, washer-dryer, and theater seating that make life on the road effortless. The 40E floor plan offers plenty of room for two, while the Cummins engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2013 Fleetwood Discovery 40E is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed diesel pusher with low mileage. Reach out at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersredvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this action-packed walk-around of the 2013 Fleetwood Discovery 40E. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and premium features, this RV is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2013 Discovery 40E. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you hit the road in comfort.